equation. Number 2, letter B, by table of values. So, how are we going to get the table of values? Paano natin ito test kung quadratic function ba siya or hindi? By table of values, given in number 1, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So, meron tayong table dito na blanco. So, let's assume that the middle part is 0. The right side is higher than the middle. Okay? So, it is the higher consecutive numbers. So, 0, 1, and 2. Sa left side naman is the lower consecutive numbers. Okay? So, 0, negative 1, negative 2. Now, what is the value of y? Okay? We are going to substitute the value of x to the given equation. And for us to get the value of y, let's say that x is equal to 0. So, y is equal to 2 times 0 plus 1. Okay? So, this will become 0 plus 1. So, y is equal to 1. So, therefore, ilalagay natin siya dito sa 0. Next, how about if x is 1? Y is equal to 2 times 1 plus 1. Y is equal to 2 plus 1. Y will become 3. So, therefore, ang value nito ay 3. Nasanggi. Next, what if the value of x is 2? If the value of x is 2, then y is equal to 2 times 2 plus 1. So, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. The answer is 5. Therefore, this one is 5. Next, what if the value of x is equal to negative 1? Y is equal to 2 times negative 1 plus 1. Then y is equal to negative 2 plus 1. Then the value of y will become negative 1. So this one is negative 1. And what if the value of x is equal to negative 2? So y is equal to 2 times negative 2 plus 1. So y is equal to negative 4 plus 1. So y is equal to negative 3. Okay? So this will become negative 3. Okay. So after natin mahanap yung value ng y, okay ha? Again, kinuha natin yung value ng x as 0 yung nasa gitna, 1, 2 yung nasa right side, negative 1, negative 2 yung nasa left side. Then, para mahanap natin yung value ng y, substitute lang natin sila. Okay? To the original equation. Next. Para malaman natin if the given is a linear or a quadratic, we have to subtract the given y. Okay? Subtract natin yung given y from right to the left. Anong ibig sabihin po nun? From right, 5 minus 3. The answer is 2. Ganun po. From right, 5 minus 3. How about 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. How about 1 minus negative 1? 1 minus negative 1. The answer is 2. Kasi magiging positive na po yung negative times negative. Then, negative 1 minus negative 3. So, this will become positive 3 minus 1. The answer is 2. As you can see, the answers that we get has the same number or the same answer, which is 2. So, ibig sabihin po, sa unang test pa lang, okay, tinest po kasi natin siya. Sa unang test pa lang po natin, lumabas na pare-parehas na yung alin. Yung given natin ay magkakaparehas ang sagot. Therefore, this given is a linear function. Okay po? Kapag lumabas na sa una ninyong test, ay pare-parehas agad ang sagot, the answer will be, it is a linear function. Next naman tayo, number 2 example again. So, this one is y is equal to 2x minus 10. Same thing with number 1 example. So, as you can see, ang highest exponent nila ay 1. Therefore, it is a linear function. But how are we going to test if the given is the table of values? So, paano natin malalaman kung linear ba siya or quadratic? By using the table of values. Okay? So, again, the value of the middle is 0. Then, mataas na value sa right side, mas mababang value sa left side. Next, so we're going again to substitute the given. Okay? So, what if the value of x is 0? If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2 times 0 minus 10. Okay? So, the given value will become y is equal to negative 10. Kasi 2 times 0 is 0, minus 10 is negative 10. How about if x is 1? If x is 1, y is equal to 2 times 1 minus 10. So, y will become 2 minus 10. And 2 minus 10 is negative 8. What if the value of x is 2? So, y is equal to 2 times 2 minus 10. Y is equal to 4 minus 10. Therefore, y is equal to negative 6. Next, if the value of x is negative 1, y will become 2 times negative 1 minus 10. This will become negative 2 minus 10. The answer will become negative 12 since they have the same sign. How about if x is negative 2? So, y is equal to 2 times negative 2 minus 10. So, y is equal to negative 4 minus 10. So, the answer will become negative 14. So, lagyan na natin siya dun sa table. Kung ang value ng x ay 0, the given y will become negative 10. This will become negative 8 and this is negative 6. Kapag negative 1 naman, negative 12 and negative 14. Okay? So, itetest na natin ulit kung linear function ba siya by subtracting the given. So, negative 6 minus negative 8. This will become negative 6 plus 8. The answer will become 2. Then, negative 8 minus 10. So, negative 8 minus negative 10 again. Hindi nagkasya. Okay. So, negative 8 minus negative 10. This will become positive 10 minus 8. This will become 2. Next. Negative 10 minus 12. Negative 12. The answer is 2. Again. Another one. Negative 12 minus negative 14. The answer is 2. Okay? So, nakuha ulit natin that the value of the first try is same. Therefore, the answer is linear function. Okay? Next tayo, another example is y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. As you can see, we can say that this is a quadratic function, but how are we going to use the table of values to find if it is a quadratic function or not? Mali. So, this must be 0. This has to be 1. And this is 2. Ito po ay 1. Dito ay 2. Okay. So again, this is 0. On the right side is positive 1, positive 2. On the left side is negative 1, negative 2. Substitute natin ulit. Same with what we did kanina. Okay, so we're going to use the equation y if x is 0, y is equal to x squared, 0 rather, 0 squared plus 2 times 0 plus 1. Galing po yung equation dun sa given natin. So, 0 squared plus 2 times 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 0 plus 1. Answer is 1. So, y is equal to 1. How about if x is positive 1? Y is equal to 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 1. The answer will be 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay? So therefore, y is equal to 4. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, 4. How about if x is equal to positive 2? Y will become 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 1. So, y is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 1. The answer is 9. Next, how about if x is negative 1? Y is equal to negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 plus 1. So, y is equal to negative 1 squared is 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 1. So, 1 minus 2, negative 1 plus 1, 0. So, the answer here is 0. Next, if x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 plus 1. So, y will become 4 minus 4 plus 1. Okay? So, what will be the value of y? 1. 4 minus 4 is 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. So, dito na tayo. Tetest na natin katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. So, we are just going to subtract them from right to left. So, 9 minus 4 is 5. And 4 minus 1 is 3. And 1 minus 0 is 1. Then 0 minus 1 is negative 1. As you can see, ang naging sagot natin dito ay negative 1, 1, 3, and 5. Hindi sila pare-parehas unlike sa number 1 and 2 example natin. So what we are going to do is to subtract them again. Okay? So 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. And 1 minus negative 1, the answer is 2. Okay. So, nagparehas na siya or nag-same na yung answer niya dito sa pangalawang try natin. Therefore, kapag nag-equal na yung second try mo, we can say now that the given is a quadratic function. Okay? So, ganun lang po yun. No? So, substitute lang yung mga given and then, isa-subtract lang natin yung sa y. Okay? Next, number 4 example tayo. Number 4 example is y is equal to 2x squared as it is. 2x squared. So, again, kunin natin 0, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. Okay? Next. So, let's say that x is equal to 0. Y will become 2 times 0 squared. Y is equal to 0. 0 squared is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Next. X is equal to positive 1. Y will become 2 times 1 squared. And 1 squared is 1. Then 2 times 1 is 2. 2. Then, next. If x is equal to positive 2, y will become 2 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4 times 2. The answer is 8. Therefore, this one is 8. Next. What if the value of x is equal to negative 1? Y will become 2 times negative 1 squared. The answer will become, as is, positive 2. Kasi negative 1 squared is positive 1 times 2, 2 pa rin. So, ang ilalagay natin dito ay 2. Next, if x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 2 times negative 2 squared. So, negative 2 squared is positive 4 times 2. The answer is 8. Therefore, the answer here is 8. Okay? So, again, i-test natin ulit sila. Okay? Katulad ng ginawa natin dun sa number 3 example natin. Okay? So, let's test. 8 minus 2. The answer is 6. 2 minus 0. The answer is 2. 0 minus 2. The answer is negative 2. And 2 minus 8. The answer is negative 6. As you can see, the given answers that we get is not the same. So, we are going to subtract again the given. So, again, 6 minus 2. The answer is 4. 2 minus negative 2. The answer is 4. Dahil magiging positive na yung negative times negative. Then, negative 2 minus negative 6. The answer is 4. So, therefore, sa pangalawang try natin, nakuha natin that the answer has the same value. Therefore, it is a quadratic function. Ganun lang po ang pagkuha kung quadratic function or not. Okay?